Richardson Hitchens is set to go down against George Kambosos Jr. and Hitchens is undefeated. This is IBF World Super Lightweight title, and Hitchens literally dominated every single opponent, but George Kambosos Jr. is known for pulling out upsets. You know what he did to Lopez, and good thing about Hitchens, he is not a knockout artist, which means Kambosos could drag this bout into deep water, try to dominate, and he could try to hide behind the jab. I know that Hitchens is having longer limbs, but Lopez was also having longer limbs than many other opponents, and Kambosos pulled out the impossible on many occasions. It only depends on the judges, though, but I have a feeling that Kambosos is gonna hand him his first ever loss, especially if he's able to fight on the outside and if he's able to cut his opponent to do good footwork, etc. Over 8.5 is my call. Side call, I see Kambosos winning.